Host controls are an important way that you can keep your Google Meet running smoothly. I know that I'm the host of this Google Meet simply because there's a shield with a lock on it down here. If I click on it, I'm presented with my three host control options. Quick access, right now it's on, meaning anybody with my link can join my Google Meet. But if I turn it off, that means I have to approve them for coming into the Google Meet. So that means people who are invited, so all of my students, my presenters, I would have to click off yes, they are allowed, or no, they're not. If I simply turn on quick access, that means my presenter is given the link and they can come right into the Google Meet. Then there are two other options, share their screen. So if I turn this off, it means that only I'm allowed to share my screen. But if I turn it on, then anybody can share theirs. And sending chat messages. So I might want to turn this off, especially if I'm having a presentation to the entire class. So if my entire class is in here, I would definitely want to turn off chat messages unless there's a point where students can ask the presenter questions. Then I'd simply want to go back and turn it on. So by default, all of this stuff is on. So if you want to turn anything off, you simply click on the blue shield with the lock and turn these things off. If you click on view all host settings, currently right now, these are the only three settings that we have available to us.